Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 LARIAT. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter power boost full hybrid engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package, tow and haul, bed utility, as well as the black appearance package. Taking a look back here, we have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, of course, the nice blacked out Ford logo. We do get a Pro Access Tailgate as well. Nice measurements, allows you to have access to your bed, your Pro Access Tailgate set up right here, and you just close it like that, like usual. You also have a power tailgate as well. And let's just say you're carrying a lot of goods in your hands and you can't lift it up. All you have to do, knee it up, and it will go up automatically. We do have grips and running boards on the side of this vehicle, side view camera, spotlight, and turn light, as well as blind spot detection. And moving to the front here, front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black preferred leather interior, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system. You got cup holders, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, this does fold down for 2 cup holders and some arm space, and you can lift up the seats if you need additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have powered seats, the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space, powered mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You do get Blue Cruise as well, park and brake pedal adjusters, gas cap, and lights, and your spotlights and tailgate opener on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 12.1 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, you do have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Over here you have a leather-wrapped gear shift, speed adjusters, also collapsible storage with cup holders. You do get more storage down here with the USB and USB-C, rear locking differential, drive modes, and 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, Pro Trailer Assist, engine starts just right there. Yeah, you have your heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, and 120. You get storage above as well as below. Storage right there. We do get a nice rear window opener as well. Garage door transmitter, Pro Power onboard, 360 view of the vehicle, Blue Cruise is just right there, park assist, hazards, traction, and downhill. Looking at your vehicle screen here, your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, or whatever you have selected, apps in general, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your settings, and features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB62437, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.